欢迎来到梦幻厨房，在我家，我是瑞琳 Baby。今儿个要和大家分享的食谱是一道甜点哦，酥烤年糕。过年到了，吃腻了一般传统的年糕吗？可以试试看这道外酥内 Q 软、香气逼人的酥烤年糕，口感真的非常的迷人。比起传统年糕，我真的更喜欢酥烤年糕，配上一杯热拿铁黑咖啡，真的绝配。喜欢吃点心的朋友呢，强烈建议试试看这道非常简单又好吃的酥烤年糕。其实这个香酥烤年糕呢，我觉得不一定只有过年可以做耶，因为做法真的很简单，想吃的时候随时都可以做哦。吃起来口感其实有点像是麻薯面包，有人又称为韩国面包或是韩国麻薯球。我自己是很喜欢吃这种 QQ 口感脆脆的点心，有点像是地瓜球。今年过年强烈推荐大家试试看这款不同以往的烤年糕，一样是有年年高升的好彩头哦。来准备所有材料的部分：鸡蛋1颗，牛奶160克，澄清奶油或者称为无水奶油35克，普通奶油融化也可以。加奶油的效果就是奶香浓郁。喜欢清爽版本的呢，就把奶油的部分改成酪梨油。为什么说酪梨油呢？因为酪梨油营养，而且它的发烟点很高，很适合用在烘焙。好，把这些材料呢搅拌均匀。初步的搅拌均匀，会发现油水分离是正常的哦。我自己也蛮喜欢加入自制的香草精哦，也可以买市售的，或者是柠檬汁数滴，香气更好。香草精的自制可以参考我另外一部影片的分享哦，加个几滴就可以。再来是糯米粉185克，也可以自己打糯米粉哦，就是把等量的糯米洗净之后，然后用破壁型的搅拌机把它打到很细这样就是自制的糯米粉了。不想自己打就买市售的，然后我们把它过筛一下。过筛一下粉哦，之后调出来的粉浆糊会比较细致，不容易有颗粒残留。接下来是白砂糖40克，你要用2砂啦，或是打细的红冰糖啦，或是糖粉，甚至是黑糖都可以，但是糖色会影响成品的颜色哦。好，我们就把它搅拌成一个均匀细致的面糊。再来是五铝泡打粉3克，加五铝泡打粉的目的呢，是会让组织变得比较蓬松一些哦。但是如果你不介意的话，不加也是可以。选择一个喜欢的模具哦，然后铺上烘焙纸。我这个大概是16、17公分的爱心模具。你也可以选择其他的形状哦，不过不要太大哦，否则这个分量的面糊做起来会很薄，很像派的感觉，不过也是挺好吃的。喜欢脆皮感觉明显的，可以做薄一点。稍微震个2、3下哦，把多余的气体排出。我今天用气炸锅来烘烤，设定摄氏180度。烘烤25分钟左右，因为大家气炸锅的厂牌可能不尽相同哦，所以还是要依照上色的情况自行微调温度跟时间哦。用一般烤箱的温度一样哦，时间大概要延长到40到45分钟。用针或是筷子插入年糕当中，拿出来不沾黏面糊就是烤好咯。圆形的是用20公分的烤模，所有材料加倍，就是影片看起来的这个大小哦。圆形的是用烤箱烤的，一样上色效果也很好哦。Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else.In a way that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with
with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do.
这个就是今天的分享啦，如果喜欢，别忘了按赞、留言、加分享。最新的食谱也欢迎订阅我的频道，更多的生活分享、好物推荐，欢迎加入我的 IG 跟 FB， 还有别忘了开启小铃铛，才不会错过最新影片哦。耶稣爱你，我也爱你，我们下次见，拜拜。
Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with